Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I'm from Amanda Crochets, and in today's video I'm going to tell you about the September Knitcrate. For the September Knitcrate, they did not have time to get the teal boxes, so unfortunately they had to mail this out in a plain white mailer, but that's okay because you still get lots of good yarn goodness inside. So for the theme of September, it's called Western Sky. Sleep under the stars and watch the sparks of your campfire flicker upwards into the blue night. The next morning, you'll turn your horse towards the west and follow the sun again for another day. And here are some photos of the color inspiration that they use for this month. And just really quick before I go into the yarn and the fun extra, Knitcrate has a new promo going on, so my followers and community will be able to get $40 to spend on their first month off of any Knitcrate subscription. All you would need to do is type in the unique code, which I have listed in the description box below. You'll type in this unique code at checkout, and then you can apply the $40 to your first order. This is only for new subscribers only, and this will allow you to receive your first crate of the monthly Knit and Crochet Club or the sock Knit and Crochet Club free. All you would have to do is pay for shipping and handling. You will also get a bonus gift where if you stay subscribed for 3 months, you will also receive a bonus $40 off your 4th month as a thank you for being a member of Knitcrate for the past few months. And don't forget, you can also use my personalized affiliate coupon code below, and then you can use that for 20% off any non-subscription items. So that means if you wanted to purchase an additional skein of yarn, or you wanted to purchase something else like such as a pattern in the Knitcrate shop, you can use my coupon code for 20% off your order. So just a few things just in case you're interested in trying Knitcrate out. So again, the theme for September is Western Sun. And here is a quick sneak peek of what some of the yarn looks like. So they have 2 colorways for the Knit and Crochet Club and 2 colorways for the Sock Club. And they also give you a link for the downloads, and then they give you a code for the double down. Double down means that you will have additional savings for eligible items in the Member Central shop. So if you are a member, yarn is already discounted by 50%, and if you use the code for the double down code, you'll get an additional 35% off. However, you do have to be a member in order to receive this special discount. So let's jump right in and check out the yarn. So for the yarn, we have this beautiful deep red color, and this is Audine Wools Mellow, and then the color I got is called Setting Sun. This is 80% alpaca, 20% Tencel, bulky weight, 125 yards or 114 meters, 100 grams, hand washed gently, dry flat. And this is custom made in Peru exclusively for Knitcrate. So you will receive 2 skeins of one of the 2 colorways. So I really like this color a lot. I like the other color as well, which I believe is kind of a grayish blue color, but I really like this. I thought it would be perfect for a fall hat or maybe a scarf or something like that, or cowl. But it's a bulky weight yarn, and it's very soft, and you have a little bit of that halo probably coming from that alpaca. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on the camera necessarily, but you can see it a little bit right here. And it has kind of like a tonal look to it a little bit. So you have, kind of looks like a little bit orangey red, and it's just very pretty, and you have a lot of nice drape to it as well. And like I said, this will be great as a hat or a scarf or a cowl. So you will get 2 skeins of that. Now there are different variations of the subscription. If you want to just try the subscription out, you can get 1 skein, you can get 2 skeins like the regular subscription, or if you want to super fluff your subscription, you'll get a total of 4 skeins. So again, all the information is in the description box below if you want to go ahead and just click on my link and it'll take you to the website. And for the fun extra for the month, you're going to get this cute little bag, and it has 2 zippers on it, and this is just a notions bag, and it has a little checklist of everything that you may need for your pattern. And I really like this because it has this little loop here, so you can always hook it onto your bag. You can put this in your bag, and it's very nice and convenient, so I really like this fun extra for this month. Now if we look at the booklet for this month, here is another look at the front photo. Western Sun is the theme again. And here are some more photos. And here is the yarn. So again, for the Knit and Crochet Club, you're going to get 2 skeins of one of these colors. So you get Setting Sun, which is what I have, or High and Dry, which is that beautiful bluish gray color. And for the Sock Club, you get 1 skein of one of these 2 colorways. So you're going to get Moonlit Ride, which is that beautiful blue color, or Dusty Dawn, which looks like more of a light grayish, almost green color. And here's a close-up of the patterns. So you're going to get 4 patterns total. You're going to get 2 knit patterns and 2 crochet patterns. And you're going to get 1 each from the Knit and Crochet Club as well as the Sock Club. So looking at the first pattern, it's going to be the Mounder Mitts by Emily O'Brien, Kitty with a Cupcake, and this is a knit pattern. So it looks like fingerless gloves, and looks like they go almost up to your elbows, which is really nice on those cold, chilly fall or winter days. And for the crochet pattern, you have Annie Shoulder Bag by Knitting with Chopsticks, and this is a boho western inspired shoulder bag. So it has that fringe and it looks like a little baubles around that. Here's a close-up of that fringe. And for the sock patterns, this is Home on the Range Socks by Crystal T Knits Designs. And this is the knit socks. And finally, you have the Rising Sun Socks by Clarissa Beth Lopez Rodriguez Designs. And it looks like just a cute little V-stitch. And for October, the theme is going to be Pop Dreams. So looks like it's going to be a lot of bright purpley pinkish colors. Maybe a bright red color in there. So as always, I'm excited to see what the new month brings us. So overall for this month's Knit Crate, I really enjoyed the yarn. I really like the bulky weight yarn, especially with the upcoming fall and winter season. I really like the chunkier yarn, so I'm really excited to use this for a hat or a scarf or cowl, like I said. I really like the fun extra with that bag. You can always have a bag handy with all your supplies that you would need, as you can just throw it in your knitting or crochet bag and just call it a day. You have everything that you need right here. As far as the patterns for this month, I'm not super crazy about them. I don't know how to knit really well, so for me the knitting patterns is kind of irrelevant for me. I do like the fingerless gloves though, so if I were to make something like that, I would make a crochet version. And I'm not really a fan of the shoulder bag. So I probably will not be doing that, but like I said, I will definitely be using this yarn for something more of a winter accessory instead. So thank you so much for joining me today on learning all about the September 2022 Knit Crate. Please like, comment, and subscribe to see all future videos by me. And as always, happy crocheting! Bye!